Hello everyone. Yanni here from Eagle MMS, and today we're going to be going over the effect of the Q1 price hikes on job costing. So I've got a couple of repair orders from last year that I'm going to rerun in the calculator after the database updates and see what the difference is. So this is a Suburban front end hit. I'm just going to fuzzy up the form so that it recalculates. I was at 1103. I'm at 1147. There's 40 bucks. Let's try one more. RO213. Got a Bronco Sport rear hit. I'm at 1373. Fuzzy up the form, reapply. Almost 100, about 60 bucks there. 1427. I'm going to be putting these side by side so we can take a look and see what these invoices look like and a percent comparison. And it looks like we're averaging just about a 4% increase. So 54.97 on the first one and 43.31 on the second one. Now, 4% might not seem like a big deal, but if it's affecting job cost between $40 and $60 and you're a facility that fixes 50 cars a month, that's between $2 and $3 grand each month. Unfortunately, more price increases are coming this quarter as well. The only manufacturer affected in this particular analysis was PPG because they go up 1st of January. But make no mistake, the rest of these paint companies are going up as well. AkzoNobel goes up February 1st, BASF and Sherwin go up March 1st, and Axalta is scheduled to go up March 15th. And then you have all the allied brands as well, SEM, 3M, Merca, Norton, and many others going up between now and April as well. This means depending on the type of job, your materials usage, and the manufacturers that compose your inventory, you can see even larger changes to job costing than this by the time the quarter concludes. Is this going to be reflected in the P&M rate? Well, if you're not willing to leave it up to chance, feel free to visit us at eaglemms.com and register for one of our webinars. We run full-length demos and consultation every Tuesday at 11 o'clock Eastern. We go over proper process for estimating, itemizing, and invoicing materials to ensure that you aren't getting squeezed by inflationary pressure. We look forward to seeing you there and working with you on your materials profitability. Take care.